Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reinstall your Windows or factory reset your Windows without losing your personal files. Especially if you are facing issues with your Windows and you want to reinstall or factory reset your Windows like a brand new without losing your files. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. Then click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left when you have to go with system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery, reset, advanced startup, and go back. And here you'll find this option reset this PC. Click on reset PC button. Now here you have two options on how you can reset your PC. This could be keeping your files, remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And you have the second option, remove everything. Now if you're going to choose the second option, your Windows will be starting up like a brand new. But this will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So you need to make sure that you have backed up all your personal files, apps and settings with an external drive or external USB drive. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset your PC without losing your personal files. So you have to click on Keep My Files. And here you have two options on how you would like to reinstall your Windows. It could be cloud download or local reinstall. So you have to go with local reinstall. Now the current settings restore apps and settings which came with this PC. Reinstall Windows from this device. Now you just have to click on next. And after that, this will reset your PC. And after that, your PC will start like a brand new, but all your favorite apps, all your data and personal files has not been deleted or is still there in your PC. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.